In January, we reported on a new program from Jackson County Public Health. Narcan stands, like this one, being placed at Raytown fire stations. Our Jackson County reporter, Claire Bradshaw, live for us this morning, following up on how this program has expanded. Claire, good morning. I remember when we talked about this earlier this year and what kind of need there is for this, how people might use it if they would at all. What's it been like over the course of the last few months?
So far, so good, Taylor, because the latest expansion is here at the Blue Springs Chamber of Commerce off of Main Street. So the boxes look like this one, the one that you just saw. And what's inside is similar to the ones in Raytown. So we have naloxone and Narcan, both do the same thing. And then there's also the opioid overdose resources. There's some COVID tests. Guys, I was just here on Wednesday, and this was fully stocked. So that's just showing how much it's already being used. And this is all thanks to community partnership. Opioid deaths in eastern Jackson County have been decreasing, and the county health department wants to continue that trend. The latest effort is the Narcan porchbox program started in January, providing free naloxone and other resources to prevent opioid overdoses.
But what we have heard from people is that they like being able to access it for free. They like being able to go 24/7 so they don't have to wait for business hours. And they like that they can just grab it and they don't have to talk to anybody, which is something that's important to us.
Boxes are at 3 Raytown fire stations, a Buckner clinic, and now outside the Blue Springs Chamber of Commerce. All in zip codes that JCPH has identified as hotspots for fatal and non-fatal overdoses.
In only 7 months, we have increased the access to naloxone quite a lot in eastern Jackson County. So things that we have learned are partners that we seek out. We know that we need to be in some non-traditional spaces.
Non-traditional spaces like Main Street USA. Bobby Hines is the founder of the You Matter movement and has been working with JCPH to bring the porch boxes to town. He previously placed similar boxes in local hotels.
When it comes down to it, save lives. You know, these are someone's mother, father, brother, sister. Everybody, likes to judge people that are going through a hard time. But one day, one of these persons is going to get sober and maybe save your life.
Community partnership, that is what JCPH is searching for in the rest of eastern Jackson County to tackle the opioid crisis. So let's expand on that further. Why here on Main Street at the Blue Springs Chamber of Commerce versus somewhere like the Raytown fire stations? They say it's because this is a high traffic area, and also because of this, there's already this public access defibrillator right here. So this is already becoming a very popular corner for resources, health resources here in Blue Springs. Back to you, Taylor.
Claire, what about future plans? Do they have more locations already mapped out where they'd like to put these boxes?
They do, and they're looking for community partners like Bobby Hines and the Chamber of Commerce. So if you're interested, reach out to Jackson County Public Health. They're also starting another similar program where they're going to be putting up health vending machines, one in Lee Summit, one here in Blue Springs. Those will have the same things that are inside of here, like Narcan and COVID tests, but it'll also have socks, first aid kits, menstrual products, and all of that will be free.
All right, good to know. Claire Bradshaw live for us this morning. Claire, thank you very much.